Hello everyone, this is Kendall from Educating Abroad on Teachers Pay Teachers, and today I'm here to give you a quick tutorial for creating a custom header on Google Forms using the free template I have available in my Teachers Pay Teachers store. So as you can see, Google Forms gives some wonderful options and beautiful colors and designs, but sometimes you might just want to have your own words or your own images up in that header bar. So to do that, you need to find me Educating Abroad over on Teachers Pay Teachers. And one of my free resources is a Google Forms custom header free template. So once you open that up and you download it, you can then get a zipped file, unzip the file, and your custom header template and images for Google Forms will open up. Now, you don't have to be a teacher to have an account with Teachers Pay Teachers. Anybody can use this platform and anyone can download this template. So once you have the template, open the PDF, click on the link, and you will first be asked to make your own copy. Just make a copy, and there you have it. This is the template you can use to create any custom header for any Google form. It doesn't have to be one from my Teachers Pay Teachers store. It doesn't have to be related to teaching at all. Okay, all you need to do is begin designing. You are your own designer here. So the large rectangle represents the entire canvas area, and the small rectangle represents the area where you want your main design to be. So anything you don't want to lose when this image is cropped to fit a tablet or a smartphone, the most important stuff belongs inside this rectangle. So today I'm going to be creating a custom heading for the student survey, Welcome Back to School survey I created for 4th to 6th grade students. So I think I'll just call this Welcome Back to School. All right, welcome back to school. I'm going to make the text a little bit larger, make it fit in, and then I'm going to choose an image just to customize this a little bit. Let me move that over. Okay, so for the purposes of this video, I'm going to choose the logo for my Teachers Pay Teachers store. My store is called Educating Abroad. I'm now teaching in the US, but I worked abroad for the past 10 years. That's where the name came from. Okay, I've got my image, I've got my text, but white isn't so interesting. I'm going to add in some color. So you have a few options. You can choose one solid color for your background, but if you want to add a little bit of gradient, you can do that. I'm going to add a custom gradient. I like to keep that globe color theme going, so I'm going to have, let's say, kind of a green on one side for the land, and I'll go with water on the other. Okay, there we have it. Now, this rectangular box, if you want to keep it, that's fine. Go ahead and keep it, or else simply delete. And now we're ready to go. Okay, I'm happy with the way that looks. I'm going to download this now as a PNG. So File, Download as, PNG image. Okay, and then I'm going to come back over into the form that I want to personalize and customize. Okay, this is my student questionnaires, so click on Customize Theme, Image Upload, and down here it says Upload Photos. That's where you choose your own image. I'm going to drag and drop the PNG file we just created, and then I'm going to make sure I keep the entire canvas. Select. And although it looks a little bit unusual in the preview, in the editing stage, once you click on the preview, you'll get a chance to see what your students or parents or whomever is answering this form will see. All right, there you go. That's how to make your own custom header for Google Forms. Now included, extra bonus here, included in the file that you will receive when you download my little freebie, you will also receive 3 bonus PNG images that are all ready to go for a Welcome Back to School survey. Okay, now these Welcome Back to Schools may be really useful for fancying up any of the student information parent questionnaire forms that I've created. I have questionnaires for pre-K all the way up to 5th grade. So they're questions that are designed for parents to answer specifically about their children. And to insert one of those ready-made headings, again, you can just go to Customize, Upload Image. You'll find those PNGs in that folder that you downloaded from my Teachers Pay Teachers store. Just drag and drop. Follow the same steps as before. Oopsies. Okay, select. You can adjust the colors. I think I'll go with kind of a minty color theme. And there you have it. It's just that easy to make something that really matches your own school with your own logo or your name as a teacher, whatever you want. This will do it for you. All right, I just would like to give a quick shout out to Wanda from ignitionedu.com. Her tutorial was the one that inspired me to begin creating my own custom headings. So thank you very much to Wanda for your insight and your generosity in sharing. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe so I'll know to make more. And if you haven't already, go on over to Teachers Pay Teachers and you can find me educating abroad on Teachers Pay Teachers. Be sure to click the little green star to follow me and you'll get a chance to see resources as I post them and be notified of freebies. I try to get one freebie out at least every other week. So do be sure to follow. All right, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this, and I hope your Google Forms start looking a little bit more like you and a little bit less like Google. Thanks. Bye.